do that. Don't not to do. Oh, it's domino.
Yes, let's play with it.
Okay. Let's first get this. Oh, so heavy. There we go.
It's so heavy.
Sorry, wrong number.
Whoa!
These are
silly ball.
okay. These are actually my domino.
Oof.
Ignore it.
Oof.
We can put candies in it. It's a candy machine. Isn't it amazing? No, don't eat it right now.
Let me get this one too.
You will get punished.
Why?
Because you ate my own delicious candy.
What does candy?
A candy. Are you sure?
Look at mine.
Mine is really amazing, but I think I need more space.
I think I need more space.
Oops.
My castle. I've been broken forever.
Mine's getting nice.
Yours getting better.
But the cool is we can get bricks. We can get bricks. And these bricks are super light.
Really, are you sure?
See? I can hit 5 of them. Ta-da! An orange brick.
Yes,
Isn't it nice?
that's what I am thinking. For friends with it.
Ta-da! Okay, as you can see, it's like this. And we need to get a domino. These domino bricks one by one.
Yes, that's right.
Maybe
It'll be this slow.
my 4th grade friend told me this trick. When I love dominoes, my 4th grade friend.
Whoa! The top one happened, disappeared. Well, I really confused. Oh, there is one. Here, and let's try first and put this like blocks, colorful blocks.
Like oh no. Good. Can you be quiet, please? It is under construction.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Huh? Wow, Mom, she broke my toy. Is this even your toy? I bought it myself.
Yes, it is, silly.
I am not silly at all, you crazy. I am not crazy at all, you silly crazy baby. I am not a baby.
Now I'll build a domino.
What's that?
Let me build it again. I want to be creative. Creative.
I'm going to use orange bricks.
Put this in here.
Sophia, let's do a 1-color challenge. I'm only going to use orange bricks.
Then I'll only use the green bricks.
Good. Yeah, let's start.
Yes, it will be the bestest.
I'm ready for my orange bricks. Look how many it timer.
First do this one and get this
Ugh.
out.
Why is this not working? Good. Again, my childhood friend told me this cool technique. And the hard thing is, Sophia, we need to use all the bricks.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh dear, it'll be hard.
Wait, she has a lot of green bricks, but I only that bricks? Oh well. And don't roll marbles at me.
Okay. I'm going to build it here, so I don't break any one.
Be quiet.
Oh,
And Sophia, the funny thing is, the domino will go on the no, Sophia. Turn. Like this.
why?
That will make it more larger.
That's a good idea.
Because if you go here, it will go under the bed and never come back. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. What does it say, Daddy?
What are you singing? Hey, don't sing a Korean song. You're in English.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oops. I got the marble. Goody. And let's try first.
Good evening, silly girls. My name is Mr. Silly. Me.
Maybe I will use another piece of marble.
Turn a little spare piece of marble.
Do like this, so we can go somewhere else. And put the ball. Oops, mine is broken. Wow, whatever. What should I do next? I picked the green one. It's very excited to do this because I need to put down and do it like this. It'll be so much fun to do that. It's too many. I want to just pick one and one and one.
You need to use
solve
all.
it. Really?
Yep.
It will take a year.
No, it will take a day, of course.
Okay. First, I will get 4 first and do it. I think first I will need a standard. Oh, there. Ooh. Here we go. And more green blocks. It'll take a year to do. Is that all?
A question mark. Why?
If you want to try it, just try it. I'm building.
Oh, I have one. Okay, there we go. I wish it didn't. I please want it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
It was very close.
I will make it again. Please give me time.